I wanted to talk about my newest business law client. And really, what it teaches us is that you don't need to have an AI startup in order to make a tens of $1 million exit if the plan works out. So, my newest client, he's a veteran founder of companies. So, he created actually a financial services firm. He's already made his exit with a substantial payout. And he has a non compete, which really sidelines him for the next 5 years from the financial services industry. His strategy is trying to find home services companies and roll them up. And so a roll up is essentially a strategy where you find smaller businesses that you can usually buy for either short multiples or even in some cases just for the cost of the assets or the value of the assets, and put those together in a single business. And the interesting thing about that is that a buyer of a business is often willing to pay multiples of earnings if you have a large enough business with a repeat book of business and there's repeatable and demonstrated revenue. And so his strategy is to essentially buy inexpensive, smaller type assets and combine them into one larger company, and in the next 5 years make his exit. So based on projections, he's working with a fractional CFO. Based on his projections, we're expecting that the annual revenue would be somewhere in the $50 to $100 million range, assuming the roll-up is successful. He's able to find businesses across the Northeast, including Massachusetts, and acquire those businesses, package them together, develop the systems that are needed to make it an efficient business, and then sell it. And so on the legal side, what I'm working on is I'm helping to form the entity here in Massachusetts, of course, working on the asset purchase agreements, including the due diligence and the closing for these businesses, and then any other legal issues that might come up with the actual operation of the business going forward. So it's a really interesting project and got me thinking that I don't really talk about this type of work that we do. And so if you're in a position where maybe you're thinking about this type of strategy, or you're looking to develop a team where you have somebody in the finance seat, you have somebody in the legal seat, somebody that's working on the tax side of things, we can really start to think about growing the business in a way that we're looking towards what that exit might look like. Hopefully you found this interesting. If you have any questions or want to talk about how we might be able to help grow your business and develop that type of strategy, drop a comment below or give us a call. Thanks. I'll see you in the next one.